Do you know your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra can restart automatically to keep it running smoothly? This can help improve performance over time. Let me show you how to set it up. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen, tap Auto Optimization. Here you will see information about automatic optimization, such as when your phone last cleaned memory or restarted. Now tap Auto Restart. At the top, you will see the condition required for your phone to restart automatically, such as when the screen is off, the phone isn't being used, the battery is above 30%, and the SIM card is unlocked. Here you have two options. The first one is restart when needed. Turn it on if you want your phone to restart automatically when performance issues are detected. The second option is restart on schedule. Turn this on if you want to set specific days and a time for your phone to restart automatically. You can select multiple days, but the same time will apply to all selected days. For example, you can schedule it at night when you are not using your phone. Just keep in mind, your phone will restart within 1 hour of the time you set. Also, after restarting, you will need to unlock your phone before some notification, alarms, and color information can appear. And that's how you set up auto restart on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.